Modern vehicles use warning lights to communicate important information about your car's systems. Two of the most common and important lights are the check engine light and traction control light. The check engine light monitors your engine's performance and emissions systems. When the engine control module, or ECM, detects a malfunction, it triggers this warning light to alert you. The most common cause of check engine lights is oxygen sensor failure, accounting for 40% of all cases. These sensors monitor the air-fuel mixture in your exhaust system. Catalytic converter issues represent 25% of check engine light cases. The catalytic converter reduces harmful emissions by converting toxic gases into less harmful substances. Mass airflow sensor problems account for 15% of cases. This sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine to help determine the proper fuel mixture. The remaining causes include spark plug and ignition coil failure at 10% and evap system leaks, also at 10%. Evap systems prevent fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. Now let's examine the traction control light. This system prevents loss of traction by monitoring wheel speed and automatically applying brakes or reducing engine power when needed. The traction control system consists of three main components: wheel speed sensors that monitor each wheel's rotation, an electronic control unit that processes the data, and a hydraulic control unit that applies corrective action. The traction control system activates when it detects wheel speed differences, indicating one wheel is spinning faster than others. It can also activate during loss of traction, system malfunctions, or when manually deactivated by the driver. Both warning lights can sometimes appear simultaneously because modern vehicles use integrated systems. The traction control system communicates with the engine management system, so problems in one area can affect the other. When warning lights appear on your dashboard, taking the right first steps can save you time and money. Here's how to systematically diagnose both check engine and traction control lights. For a check engine light, start with these 5 essential diagnostic steps. First, check your gas cap. This simple step fixes 15% of all check engine light cases. Second, note the driving conditions when the light appears. Third, use an OBD2 scanner to retrieve diagnostic trouble codes. This is crucial for accurate diagnosis. Fourth, check all fluid levels, including oil and coolant. Fifth, inspect your air filter, as clogged filters can affect sensor readings and trigger warning lights. Now for traction control lights. Start by verifying tire condition and pressure, as uneven wear or pressure differences can trigger the system. Third, test the system function in a safe, controlled environment. Fourth, scan for ABS and ESC codes, as many traction control issues stem from problems in the anti-lock braking system. Seek professional help immediately if you see a flashing check engine light, multiple warning lights, experience performance issues like rough idle or poor acceleration, or have any safety concerns. Remember, ignoring these warning lights can lead to a 300 to 400% increase in repair costs. Taking these first diagnostic steps can save you significant money and prevent more serious problems.